UW-Stout stands out compared to other school psych programs, especially in the state of Wisconsin, is that we do offer a lot of opportunities to be applied and more practitioner-based. We've all worked in school settings, so the ability for us as a faculty to integrate real-world experiences into our classes is a really unique opportunity that you might not see in other programs.
We have an intense focus on counseling and mental health. So we give students a foundation in the research and in best practices in school psychology, and then link those directly to the activities in our coursework and in our practicum and internship experiences.
Through the practicum experience and the clinical practicums here at Stout, I feel prepared to not only apply the knowledge I'm learning in class, but being able to be adaptable. In my experience, I've been placed in Minnesota, I've been placed in Wisconsin. How schools work look a little bit different in those two states, but I have that knowledge to be able to apply it.
I think this program really emphasizes communication, and that really slides in nicely when you go into practicum and you have to kind of problem solve or figure some things out with different members of a team.
I would say the vibe of our school psychology program is kind of like a close family. We spend so much time together, we do so much together, we kind of bounce ideas off of each other.
I chose to come to UW-Stout for the school psychology program based on just kind of the atmosphere when I came here and I was interviewing. It was really supportive, it was really collaborative, and I don't think I had that same experiences with some of the other places I interviewed at.
Our support we get from our professors is not only helpful within the class, but also when we're in our field placements or also in the clinic, but also our cohort has gotten so close over those 2 years that whether it's something going on in life or asking about class, you can always ask someone in your cohort.
Additionally, I really enjoyed the aspect that it is Polytechnic and hands-on. We were able to get assessment kits on the very first day of class, and it was just awesome to be able to apply that knowledge because I really am a hands-on learner, and I think that this program allows great opportunities for that.